Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we'll have a very special guest, a very versatile one, and his name is Volkswagen California. But before starting, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For you it's free and for us it's very important. After 3 very successful generations, the Volkswagen California T7 is here ready to revolutionize your camping experience. So let's dive into what makes this camper van the ultimate choice for your next adventure. Equipped with very practical sliding doors on both sides, the new California offers unparalleled flexibility, making loading and unloading a breeze. But it doesn't stop here. For the first time ever, Volkswagen commercial vehicles introduce a plug-in hybrid drive system with all-wheel drive capability, combining eco-friendliness with versatility. So, apart of the classical combustion engine, now on the top of the range version you will get a plug-in hybrid engine, which combines a 1.5-liter TCI Evo 2 with an electric motor, outputting together 245 horsepower, enough to move the almost 2 tons of the T7 California. With 5 versions to choose from, including the Beach, Beach Tour, Beach Camper, Coast and Ocean, there is a new California for every lifestyle and travel scenario. Also, every version is equipped with 6 seats, 2 plus 2 individual seats in the second and the third row, and space for 2 people to sleep under the folding roof, with a bed measuring 2 meters and 5 centimeters length and 1 meter and 30 centimeters wide. The all-new T7 California allows you to control all the camper-related functions with the help of a very practical display in the living area, the infotainment system, or the California app on your smartphone. But let's not forget about style. With iconic 2-tone paintwork and a range of alloy wheels options, the new California is as stylish as it is practical. With a price range between 65,000 euros and 80,000 euros, the new Volkswagen T7 California represents the future of the camper van niche, and the future looks good. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our brief video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.